Hey, what's up guys? No, my camera isn't broken, but I did set up an old phone as a webcam using IVCam. I wanted to try a different format that would allow me to be able to release more videos at a faster pace, while I will still also dedicate the time that is required to be able to put together videos how I've previously been doing, but in more of a webcam type format to be able to respond to questions in video much faster. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and also take a look at the links that I will be posting in regards to this video. On today's video, I wanted to cover what has been happening in the mass media with COVID-19 and how I see that some companies might be trying to take advantage of the situation and kind of twist it into a marketing tool just to promote their own business. It seems like a lot of companies are doing bait and switch, saying that they're giving something away for free because of the current economic situation, and really when you get to the page, it's something completely different. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Now we can see here that Sling is giving away free content on the Amazon Fire TV, but if we check out this other article on Sling TV, it looks like that it's just a 14-day trial. Now, I'm not sure if they are making something exclusive just for the Amazon devices to try to get more market share on that device, but other articles that I'm coming across, it's just a 14-day trial. I don't know offhand what the original trial length was through Sling TV, so they might have just started with, say, like a 3-day trial or 7-day trial and boosted it up to 14 days, but to me, it seems like they're just trying to take advantage of the existing frenzy with everything popping up all over the news about COVID-19. Now, Apple, on the other hand, is giving away free 90-day access to their Final Cut Pro X or FCPX software, which is a video editing software suite, and Logic Pro X software for editing audio. Now, this is pretty cool, and it's probably going to create a little bit of a surge in the creator community for those who wanted to be able to try this software, but it was cost prohibitive. So Plex, on the other hand, is giving away live TV streaming for 3 months, which is pretty cool. But even if you just installed Plex before all this happened, they did have a decent amount of free online streaming content built directly into Plex. Without having to have your own library of movies and TV series, you could just stream it online depending on the content. Now, Roland ZenBeats, on the other hand, they're giving it away completely free. So if you get it on iOS or Android, it's normally $15, but if you download it and install it now and sign up and confirm your account, it's completely free. Now, Blinkist, which is a pretty cool little app to be able to listen to like audiobooks or condensed versions of audiobook content, just automatically upgraded my account to premium for free. You can see here it says that there's no strings attached, and it's until April 25th. So if you don't have Blinkist, you might want to check it out, and you can start binging the content on their platform until April 25th. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button if you're into that kind of thing, and if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so we know that you mean it.